What you want to do is to first solve the right angle triangle. Step 1, solve the right angle triangle. All right, that's the only way you're going. So you need to know this side. Need to know this side. Want to know that side. So we're going to use Pythagoras theory to come up with that side first. Then I'm able to know what the cosine of the angle is, because I am stuck at that angle. So because I'm stuck at this angle, I can't do anything about cosine unless I know what this side is. So Pythagoras theory will help us to find that angle. Let us say I'll call this side x. So I could now say that 5 squared is equal to x squared plus the root of 5 squared. Technically speaking, 25 minus the root of 5 squared is 5, yeah, is equal to x squared, right? So then 20 is equal to x squared, taking the square root. So then, if I take the square root of this, basically, if you understand, oh, this is the root of 20 is equal to x. I can write the root of 20 in other ways. You understand? You can write it as root 4, root 5. For example, root 20, just putting this outside. The root of 20 can be written as root 4 times root 5, and root 4 is 2 root 5. So it can be the root of 20, or you could put 2 root 5 for it. It's okay. Or, so before you can now find the cosine of which we're going to do. No, therefore the cosine of that angle, cosine is actually adjacent over hypotenuse. So we're talking about the root of 20, which is 2, I could just say 2 root 5 over 5. That's cosine the angle. This part now is when I'm saying that the identity comes in, where if I see this, you can't work out this. So what you're going to do, you're going to say that, hey, we want to recall this. Sine of 2 theta is the same thing as 2 sine theta cos theta. Yeah, I'm going to say, okay, this is the same thing as 2 sine theta cos theta. And then I would have those values because remember, sine theta is root 5 over 5 and cos theta is 2 root 5 over 5. All right? So with that said, I can now substitute 2 times the root of 5 over 5 times cos, which is 2 root 5 over 5. And then if I continue working this 2 and 2, 4, I'll have 4 times root 5 times root 5 becomes 5. All right, over 25. And then I'm actually getting 20 over 25. And if I cancel on this with 5, I get 4 over 5. So sine 2 theta is actually, in the end, I'm getting 4 over 5.